This is the official case from Samsung for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This case has everything that you need for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. This case comes with a kickstand and also it has the S Pen inside the box. Inside the box, you're going to find this small accessory. This is for the extraction of the tip of your S Pen, and it comes with a spare tip for your S Pen also. So if the tip of your S Pen is not in a good shape, in the future you can remove the old one and insert a new one. The installation of the back of the case is very easy. You just need to remove the blue plastic protecting film that is covering the double-sided tape on the inside of the. After you remove that, you can install the case on the back of the device. One thing that you need to do is to make sure that the side of the device is pretty clean, and it is very clean and it doesn't have any oil or something on the surface. It needs to be clean for the case to stick on the device. After you have removed the blue plastic on both the front and the back, you can install the front and the back of the case onto your device. You need to make sure that the sides are clean. If not, the device is not going to hold the case. On the back of the case, you have the kickstand by default. That is the one that is already installed onto the case, but you can remove it and replace it with the S Pen. It depends on your usage of the device. You can have the kickstand in or you can have the S Pen. To remove the kickstand, you need to push simultaneously on both sides of the kickstand. It is going to come detached of the case, and after that you can just take the S Pen and push it in. It is that simple. For my personal use, I always have the kickstand attached to the device and the S Pen is around. So this case is mainly going to protect your device if it falls, but the front of the device is still very fragile and exposed to anything that can crack the screen. So if you get this case, you need to have a screen protector at the front of the device also to protect your front screen.